Hi, we're from ShearTac Tools, a Canadian-based company that provides woodworking and metalworking tools. In this video, we will be giving a tutorial for upgrading the Makita Curved Planer with a spiral cutter head from ShearTac Tools. This spiral cutter head has 4 spirals and 18 carbide inserts installed. It dramatically reduces noise, increases machine lifetime, and produces a smoother finish with no tear out. Note that the spiral cutter head comes pre-installed with 2 premium bearings, as well as a spacer on the side with the threaded shaft. To begin, unscrew the belt cover. Remove the belt. Remove the 6 bracket screws. Take off the bracket. Loosen the V-pulley and remove the blade from the bracket. We are now ready to install the new cutter head. Begin by inserting the new cutter head into the main frame. Attach the bracket onto the frame. To fully secure the bracket, lightly hammer it in. Screw in the V-pulley. Insert the 6 bracket screws. Attach the belt back onto the pulley. Lastly, install the belt cover. Now your machine is ready for use. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial from the Makita Curved Planer. If you need any assistance or replacement parts, be sure to check out ShearTac's website at www.sheartac.com or send us an email at sales@sheartac.com for woodworking supplies and more.